नाम से डरा मत करो सिलेबस में।
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continuity differentiability problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. In the statement y value given cos of 3 cos inverse x, then we have to find d cube y by dx cube. Okay, third order differentiation of y, our target. So what is given? Y is equal to cos of 3 cos inverse x. We have 3 cos inverse x formula. 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. 4x cube minus 3x. Cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay. We have 3 sin inverse x formula. Sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Therefore, y is equal to cos inverse of 3 cos inverse x. We have right formula cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. So y is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. By inverse property cos inverse x, it will going to be x. Okay, this will be 4x cube minus 3x. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. 4 into differentiation of x cube, we get 3x square minus 3 constant. Differentiation of x will be 1. So again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Our target is d cube y by dx cube. So differentiation of dy by dx, it will give us d square y by dx square. So 4 3 is 12 into differentiation of x square, it will going to be 2x. So differentiation of constant will be 0. Okay. So d square y by dx square, we got 24x. 12 2 is 24x. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of d square y by dx square is nothing but d cube y by dx cube equal to 24 constant. Differentiation of x will be 1. So answer is 24. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So y value given tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So y is equal to tan inverse. We have cos x formula cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So cos x formula is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon this 1. So this 1 written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Sin x, we have 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So it will going to be y equal to tan inverse of, now I say that a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. So it will going to be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, by using a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b, where a place in right cos x by 2 and b place in sin x by 2. So in denominator in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, it will going to be a plus b whole square cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. 1 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 get cancelled. Now it will going to be y is equal to tan inverse of what we get cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, divide multiplied by. So divide cos x by 2 on numerator as well as denominator. One cos x by 2 get cancelled. So denominator also 1 cos x by 2 get cancelled. It will going to be tan inverse of 1 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. we get tan x by 2, 1 minus tan x by 2 by, in denominator write 1 plus tan x by 2. But our target is dy by dx. Okay, we have got y equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. Okay, that implies y is equal to tan inverse of this one place in, we should write tan 45 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2, right, into 1. This one place in, we should write tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value 1. Okay, this is in the form of tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. What is the formula? Tan A minus B, where A place in, write pi by 4 and B place in x by 2. So y is equal to tan inverse of, this is tan A minus B formula, pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now it will going to be, so tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 is nothing but pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. Differentiation of pi by 4 constant, differentiation 0. Minus 1 by 2 constant. Differentiation of x, it will be 1. So answer is minus 1 by 2. Okay, moving to next question. So one function is given 3 sin xy plus 4 cos xy equal to 5. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So 3 constant, differentiation of sin xy with respect to x. So 4 constant, write d by dx of cos xy. Constant differentiation, it will be 0. Okay, so 3 constant, differentiation of sin cos xy, but differentiation of xy by using uv formula, uv into d by dx of xy, plus 4 times of differentiation of cos xy, it will going to be minus sin xy into differentiation of xy by using chain rule. Okay, d by dx of xy take out common, d by dx of xy take out common, so remaining value will be 3 cos xy plus into minus minus 4 sin xy equal to 0. So since 3 cos xy minus 4 sin xy not equal to 0, so this value must be equal to 0. So d by dx of xy equal to 0. So differentiation of xy by using uv formula. Okay, x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x, it will going to be 0. U into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u, dx get cancelled. So x dy by dx, this plus y bring the right side, it will be minus y. Therefore dy by dx, we have got minus y by x. So x dy by dx equal to minus y. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So f of x value given, then we have to find f double dash x plus f of x. Okay, first differentiation on both sides with respect to x, our target is f double dash x. So second order derivative of f of x, our target first. Now differentiation of f of x, it will give us f dash x, 10 constant. Differentiation of cos x, it will be minus sin x plus by using uv formula. Okay, 13 plus 2x into differentiation of sin x, it will be cos x plus sin x into u into v dash plus v into differentiation of 13 plus 2x. Differentiation of 13 will be 0 constant, 2x differentiation is 2. du dash. Okay, but now again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of f dash x, it will going to be f double dash x equal to minus 10 constant. Differentiation of sin x, This will give us cos x again by using UV formula. So dy dx of 13 plus 2x into cos x plus 2 constant differentiation of sin x will be cos x. Okay. So it will going to be f double dash x is equal to minus 10 cos x plus 2 cos x. It will be minus 8 cos x. Okay, 2 cos x get cancelled. So by using UV formula. So 13 plus 2x into differentiation of cos x, it will be minus sin x plus cos x into differentiation of 13 plus 2x. 13 differentiation 0, 2x differentiation it will be 2. So minus 8 cos x plus 2 cos x. It will going to be minus 6 cos x plus into minus 13 plus 2x into sin x. Okay, but our target is f double dash x plus f of x. Okay, now our target is f double dash x plus f of x. So f double dash x value we have got minus 6 cos x minus of 13 plus 2x into sin x. F of x value given 10 cos x plus 13 plus 2x into sin x. In this 13 plus 2x into sin x get cancelled. Minus 6 cos x plus 10 cos x, it will be 4 cos x. So what is the answer? 4 cos x. Okay, moving to next question. So find the value of d by dx of sin square cot inverse of root under 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Okay. So by using substitution method, let us take x is equal to cos 2 theta. Why? Because we have 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. So let us take x is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay. We have 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, it will be 2 sin square theta. Therefore d by dx of sin square cot inverse root under 1 plus, where expression we should write cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. So d by dx of sin square cot inverse of root under 1 plus cos 2 theta. We have formula 2 cos square theta. By 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. It will going to be d by dx of sin square cot inverse root under. In this one 2 get cancelled. Cos square theta by sin square theta root under is cot square theta. So root cot square theta is nothing but cot theta. Okay, we have got d by dx of sin square cot inverse of root under cot square theta. One root square get cancelled. It will going to be d by dx of sin square cot inverse of cot theta. So d by dx of sin square cot inverse of cot theta is nothing but theta. Okay. So d by dx of sin square theta. We have 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. The sin square theta equal divide 2 on both sides. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 equal to sin square theta. The sin square theta right 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So it will going to be d by dx of 1 minus, where cos 2 theta place in we should write x by 2. So 1 by 2 constant. So differentiation of 1 will be 0. Differentiation of x 1. So this is minus x derivative minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 2. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.